Let's achieve these juicy mini twists using one product. So the things you'll need are Shine and Jam, a rat tail comb, a regular comb, a detangling brush that looks like this, and some leave-in conditioner of your choice. I use the Macadamia and the Curls Blueberry Bliss. So you want to start off by parting your hair. Here I'm actually using my fingers to part my hair the way I want it. And then I'm going to go in with my rat tail comb to clean up the actual part. So you want to take your regular comb and just comb the hair from the bottom up. Take some Shine and Jam and put it on the length of the hair, the whole thing. Part your hair into two and start twisting counterclockwise in the opposite direction of the side of your head that you're twisting on. So as you get closer to the end, you want to take your Shine and Jam and apply it to the ends of your hair, so that as you're twisting, it will hold and not unravel once you're finished. So here I am just parting the hair with my fingers, being sure that I like the size of the box. And then going in with my rat tail comb to clean up the part. And taking my regular comb to detangle the hair. Taking that Shine and Jam again. Placing it on the length of my hair and on the ends as well, so that my twist does not unravel. Be sure to part the hair in two and then just twisting the opposite direction of the side of the head that I'm working on so that it does not unravel. So here I'm just showing you how I stack the actual twist. I'm being sure that I do not do my parts directly on top of each other because I want my twist to lay flat in the back as well as the front. Now I'm just repeating the same steps as I shown previously, so I will let you watch. Once I get to the very ends of my hair, I do like to wrap it around my finger to give it that curly effect. Now I am taking my Macadamia leave-in conditioner and my Curls Blueberry Bliss, because I ran out of the macadamia, putting it on the front section of my hair so that my hair can be moisturized, you know? Now I'm doing my first part on the side. You want to do your parts very crispy because that's what makes the style. And I'm taking my detangling comb, being sure to detangle from the bottom up, and proceeding to do the same steps that you saw previously so that I can achieve some nice mini twists in the front. Remember to wrap those ends once you get to the end. Now I am working on the last section, and it is at the top of my head, but it's in the back. So it is very good to use like a separate mirror. I forgot to mention that you're going to need like a mirror to look at the back in order to do your parts. So I'm just proceeding to do the same steps as before, and I'll be back to show you guys the final result. So keep on watching. So this is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, learned something new. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, enjoy the journey. Peace.